Hey Ankit, this side. So today we are going to learn about an important question that relates to law of contract. That all contracts are agreement, but not all agreements are contract. Basically, what is an agreement and what is a contract? Let us describe it first. A contract is an agreement that is enforceable by law. And what is a agreement? A agreement is a proposal plus acceptance. I clearly stated that a contract is an agreement which is enforceable by law. That clearly state a contract is a species and an agreement is a gene. A contract must follow its essential elements that is given under section 10 of Indian Contract Act that state there must be two or more parties, there must be a legal object or legal lawful object and lawful consideration. Third, there must be a intention to create a legal obligation, must not expressly void. There are some elements that contract has to be fulfilled, but agreement is mere agreement. Agreement must or must not fulfill that essential elements. So uh, all contracts are agreement because an agreement where a lawful object and lawful consideration is fulfilled, and where we can legally enforce that agreement, that is called contract. But in agreement we may or we may not legally enforce it. Just suppose my family member invites me in a family function and I promise to go there, but I will not go there due to certain circumstances. My family member do not here file a suit claiming that I breached the contract. So a agreement may not fulfill the essential element, but a contract must fulfill the essential element that is given under section 10. And in answer writing, we can put two or three cases that is famous in contract law, that is Mohri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh and Carlyle versus Carbolix Pharmaceutical Private Limited. These are the case when we are writing our answer in our university examination or mains examination, we can use it. Thank you, and follow for more videos in all the law subject.